Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1955 Dodge Custom Royale. Got the owner Bob here, so tell us a little bit about him. How you doing today, Bob?
Okay, how are you?
Man, what a cool car.
Thanks.
You had it a long time, huh?
Yeah, 9 years.
Wow, very cool. Gorgeous colors too. What are they called?
Chiffon green and emerald green.
Man, what a great two-tone. So tell us about it.
Well, I bought it 9 years ago
Mm-hmm.
while I was on vacation in Delaware. I've done a couple things to it, not a lot because it didn't need a lot, but it's got power brakes on it now in the front. New springs in the back. Been running terrific. Doesn't burn a drop of oil, not a drop.
These are great cars, very reliable. Just hop in and drive them. Most of them were just run to the ground. It's nice to see one in condition like this.
And it's got 53,000 original miles.
Wow. Very cool.
When I got it, it had 47,000 miles.
Cool. I've been driving it.
So I only used it for shows and cruise nights. And when you go to a show or a cruise night, you were the only one there with a 55 Dodge.
Yep.
So it's a big attraction.
It really is. You don't see these around. I used to go to Carlisle and Hershey with my dad and stuff, and you'd see them there. But never really local, you know?
Yep.
It's such great lines.
It runs great.
And it's got the HEMI under the hood, right?
Yep. 270 cubic inch, 183 horse.
Huh. Nice quiet motor. Love the fins on the back. You know, these were like artwork back in the day, you know?
Oh, yeah.
That's when they built cars.
These 50s cars are works of art.
Aren't they? Aren't they?
Yep.
Very cool. What a beautiful straight body. Tons of chrome. Scattered all over. Look at this grill. Man, that is so cool. Oh, you got a senior award too.
It's got quite a few awards when it first was restored back in '86.
Very cool. 1985 winner. That is awesome. That's a Hershey award.
Yep.
Man, look at the chrome grill on this thing. They just don't make cars like this anymore, you know?
Nope.
Pretty. This color combo really works. Man, very cool. It's like stepping back in time. This interior looks original too, huh?
Yeah, well, it was redone in '86 by one of the owners.
Love the wind wings on the front and rear. Such unique handles too, you know. These taillights are fantastic. Jeez. Great design. Beautiful door panels too. Look at the detail on that. You just don't see that in these cars these days, you know?
No, no. Like you said, works of art.
It is. So neat. 53,116 original miles. Very cool. Like your navigation system. Pretty cool. Isn't that neat? Man, and the shifter, how cool is that? You know, Dodge and Chrysler always had the coolest shifters.
Yeah.
From this little guy to the push button, you know, the torque flight.
1956, they changed it to the push button.
Always ahead of time. Man, beautiful headliner, God. It's like the days before Alcantara. Well, this cool stuff you got with it too. So this is it right here, huh?
Yeah.
Full line of cars. That's it. Royale V8. Wow, very cool. Kind of neat the stuff you accumulate through the years. You know, owning a car like this.
Yeah. I've been accumulating stuff since I got it.
That's pretty cool. Bye. Wow, right on the front cover. That's neat. And all this stuff goes with it?
Yes.
Very cool. Oh, and there it is, the same
Some
colors.
of the things that I got when I got the car from the owner,
Yeah.
I'm leaving in the car. And some of the things I accumulated since I got the car.
Wow.
I'm leaving in the car.
There it is. The future at your fingertips. Take it behind the wheel, and they're showcasing that transmission. So cool. You know, we're all caretakers with this stuff.
Absolutely.
You know? Man, look at that moon pie. That is amazing. The Etch-a-Sketch. That is the neatest. Man, what a cool, reliable cruiser. Love the handles in the back too. So unique. And an ashtray for the kids.
Yep.
The kids can smoke, you know.
Yeah.
Junior, put that cigarette out. You're smoking me out. The door is shut. Beautiful. This is when America made cars. Look at that chrome sill right there. Aluminum. And the detail in the seat. Beautiful.
I had the seat belts put in when I got the car, so it's a little safer.
Good. It's important, you know. So you're lugging your family around in here. Very cool. Look at this. Inspected, approved. Let's check out under the hood, Bob. Man, I love the eyebrows on there too. What a nice touch. There she is. Super red Ram HEMI. Looks very correct. Is it the original motor?
Yes.
Very nice. I like how you put an electric fan up front to keep it nice
Yes.
and cool.
Yep.
It's big Spartan horns. So cool. And you put the power brakes on it.
Yes.
Is that a generator or an alternator?
Generator.
Cool. Very neat. Can you fire it up?
Yep.
Yeah, that's right. Like a top, huh?
Yeah.
Very cool. Sounds so good. Nice rumble. What do we got in the trunk? Got some stuff that goes with it, huh?
Yeah.
A lot of history with this car. So here's some extra fabric that he has, the vinyl and the cloth. That's for the seat. There's a tiny little rip in the driver's seat under the beads. And then we got all kinds of docks, right? Those. Some original pictures from the original gentleman that owned it. That's cool. Oh, original owner's manual. Great. All kinds of other docks too, huh? Jeez. Oh, this is the breakdown.
Right, it comes right from Chrysler, Ford. I mean, Chrysler Dodge.
Yeah. Cool. Power flight. Awesome. Tons and tons and tons of stuff. Receipts. Another folder in here with tons of receipts too. That's this guy. This has all kinds of receipts. Jeez. Everything you can imagine. All documented. I'll take photos of all this stuff too so you guys can see it. Shop manuals, parts list. Wow. This is by the numbers. I guess gives you the breakdown, a little bit of literature, how many were made. Very cool. Nice and tidy back here too. Original spare. It's like a poly. You have good rich poly. Silvers. Man, that is neat.
It originally had 2 tires on it when I got it.
Wow.
Yeah, I changed that now.
So it's got radials on it now? Yeah, what a difference, right? In the ride?
Yep.
Yeah. Let's go for a ride. Oh, the radio works. Imagine that. Took a minute to warm up.
It's an AM and FM.
FM too, huh?
And it also has a way you can plug your phone into it.
Oh, very cool. Man, what a neat car. Nice and comfortable too, you know?
Yep.
It's the Cruiser. Bet your wife loves this.
She does.
All the gauges work and everything?
Yep.
Wow.
And
what a peach.
fuel.
Alright, let's plug in the coordinates. Man, what a nice car to drive around in.
Yeah,
You know?
it's been a pleasure.
Such a pleasure.
There's more original books in there.
Oh, wow. These are original too. These aren't reproductions. You know, they have like a feel to them, a certain texture, you know? Man, that is so cool. Owner certificate. Oh, cool. I love the little wheel too.
The steering wheel.
Yeah, that's awesome. I have one of those on my boat. Very cool. What a neat car. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.